Honor has started rolling out the first beta version of MagicOS 9.0, bringing some notable improvements and new features, especially in the camera department. This update aims to enhance overall device performance, ensuring a smoother and more efficient experience. The MagicOS 9.0 first beta update carries the version number 9.0.0.116. It follows the launch of MagicOS 9.0 in late October, with the company quickly opening up recruitment for the first closed beta. Eligible models include the Magic 6 series, Magic 5 series, Magic V3, Versus 3, and V2 foldables. If you're using one of the supported devices, you'll need to be on the base firmware version 8.0.1.173 or 8.0.1.172 to participate in the beta. Initially, only users who registered for the testing program will receive the update. Others will have to wait for future releases. The 9.0.0.116 update introduces several key features, including a zoom effect for fan icons, as well as several tweaks to the camera interface. Other improvements include enhancements to yo-yo suggestions and private space functionalities. Additionally, MagicOS 9.0 optimizes the Car Connect feature, as well as navigation via amar, making car-related tasks more seamless. The update also brings finer text fonts and improved stability.